Hello everybody, welcome to a new lesson. The objective of today's lesson is to identify and apply vocabulary about clothes and some verbs too. Okay, so let's start with today's lesson. So I need that you please open your student books on page 79 because we're going to see vocabulary about clothes, as I told you before. The first activity that you're going to do is going to be in the notebooks, in your notebooks. I need that you write all these words as a list, and then you have to look for the meaning in Spanish of each word, okay? La primera actividad que vamos a hacer, chiquillos, ustedes van a hacer un listado con todas estas palabras que están relacionadas a la ropa en sus cuadernos y van a buscar el significado de cada una de ellas. So please, stop the video now and do it. Did you finish? Very good, so let's check now. The first word is a dress. In Spanish, vestido, un vestido. Then we have a coat, in Spanish, un abrigo. Then jeans, in Spanish, jeans. Then a jumper, in Spanish, un chaleco, un suéter. Number 5, a shirt, in Spanish, una camisa. Then shoes, in Spanish, zapatos. Then shorts, in Spanish, pantalones cortos. Then a skirt, in Spanish, falda, una falda. Then socks, in Spanish, calcetines. Then a t-shirt, in Spanish, una polera. Then trainers, in Spanish, zapatillas. And trousers, in Spanish, pantalones. Okay, so look at the difference between these two. A shirt, a t-shirt. A shirt, camisa. A t-shirt, polera. So let's do activity number 1. Match the clothes in the list with the pictures. Write 1 to 12 in the boxes. Lo que debemos hacer entonces es unir las prendas de vestir con las imágenes como corresponda. Es decir, por ejemplo, la letra A está apuntando esta prenda de ropa y ustedes van a colocar el nombre de la prenda, o sea, perdón, el número al lado de la letra con la prenda que corresponda. So stop the video now, please, and do it. Did you finish? So let's check. Number 1, a dress, letter E. This is the example. So number 2, a coat, letter D. 3, jeans, letter A. 4, a jumper, letter J. 5, a shirt, letter H. 6, shoes, letter F. 7, shorts, letter G. 8, a skirt, letter K. 9, socks, letter I. 10, a t-shirt, letter B. 11, trainers, letter C. And 12, trousers, letter L. So now let's continue with activity 2. Look at the pictures in exercise 1 again. These pictures, Paul, Anna, Jason, Amanda, and Simon. What are the people wearing? ¿Qué está vistiendo cada persona? The example says, number 0, Paul is wearing blue jeans, this is Paul, blue jeans, a white t-shirt, and trainers. So what do you have to do in this activity is to describe what are they wearing. So number 1, you have to describe. Anna is wearing, in this case, Y deben usar siempre el mismo formato. Paul is wearing, Paul está vistiendo, present continuous, remember. Ana is wearing, Ana está vistiendo. And you have to include the color too. Y tienen que incluir el color as the example, como el ejemplo. Blue jeans, a white t-shirt, and trainers. Okay, so stop the video and complete the activity, please. Did you finish? Great, so let's check together. Number 1, Anna is wearing a green dress, black coat, and white shoes. Very good. En este caso, si lo hicieron en el orden, no en el mismo orden que yo, está correcto. El orden puede variar. Number 2, Jason. He is Jason. Jason is wearing a blue shirt, yellow shorts, white socks, and red trainers. Number 3, Amanda. Amanda is wearing, remember to use is wearing. Amanda is wearing a pink jumper, a gray skirt, and black shoes. And finally, Simon. Simon is wearing a black shirt, gray trousers or jeans, and green, they can be, I think that they are socks. I'm sorry, shoes. Creo que son zapatos. En realidad las prendas de abajo pueden igual tener alguna variación dependiendo del dibujo, porque puede que parezcan zapatillas o zapatos a veces. Okay? Very good. So now we're going to continue with another activity related to the new vocabulary, clothes, okay? Choose 2 characters and describe what are they wearing. Remember to use the present continuous first to say, for example, this character or she or he is wearing, and then you have to describe the clothes. And remember that you have to include the color too, okay? So stop the video, please, and do it. Could you do it? Okay, so now we're going to check some examples of possible answers. Vamos a revisar algunas posibles respuestas del ejercicio. Look, she is wearing a pink dress and black sandals. The character is this girl, this woman. Number 2, she is wearing a pink dress, white socks, and pink shoes. The character is this little girl. Number 3, he is wearing a sky blue t-shirt, blue shorts, and blue shoes. The character is this man. And finally, sorry, he is wearing a red t-shirt, blue jeans, and sky blue shoes. The character is this boy. Excellent. So now let's continue with an activity on the workbook. I need that you open your workbooks on page 75, please, because we're going to do activity 1, which is related to some verbs and the use of present continuous to describe pictures. Number 1 says, look at the picture above and complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in the list. These are the verbs and this is the picture. So you have to pay attention to all the characters, to all the activities that they are doing at the moment. Okay? First, let's check the verbs. The verb cheer in Spanish, alentar, apoyar, dance, bailar, Leave, dejar, abandonar, irse. Read, leer. Run, correr. Sing, cantar. Sit, sentarse. Smile, sonreír. Stand, estar de pie. Take, tomar. Talk, hablar. And wear, vestir. So you have to use all of these verbs in present continuous, remember, with the ing form. And let's look at the example. Peter is running. And this is Peter. He is running. Very good. So now stop the video, please, and do the activity. Did you finish? Great. So let's check then. Number 1. Cindy is, this is Cindy, reading. Very good. Number 2. Charles is, this is Charles, dancing. Charles is dancing. Number 3. Lucy is, this is Lucy, on a bench. Lucy is sitting on a bench. Number 4. Joe and Kelly are, these are Joe and Kelly, are standing. Joe and Kelly are standing. Number 5. Cedric is a hat. This is Cedric. Cedric is wearing a hat. Number 6. Elena is, this is Elena, singing. Very good. Number 7. Rob is, this is Rob. Rob is cheering. Number 8. Claire is on her phone. This is Claire. Claire is talking on her phone. Number 9. Matt is a photo. This is Matt, and Matt is taking a photo. Number 10. Fiona is, this is Fiona, and she is smiling. And number 11, Jen and David are, these are Jen and David, and they are leaving the park. Very good. And this is the homework that you have to do this week. You have to continue on page number 75 of the workbook, and you have to do activity number 3, 4, and 5. In activity 3, you have to find 12 clothes items in the word search. Deben encontrar entonces 12 palabras relacionadas a la ropa en la sopa de letra. 12, okay? Number 4, circle the odd one out in each list. Here we have different lists with clothes, and you have to circle the odd one. Lo que tenemos son listas hacia el lado. En la número 0 tenemos jeans, jumper, and shirt. Son 3 palabras. ¿Cuál palabra es la diferente, la distinta, la que no va con las otras? In this case is jeans. En este caso son los jeans, porque el chaleco y la camisa se colocan arriba y los jeans son pantalones, se colocan en las piernas, en la parte de abajo. So you have to circle the odd one in each list. And number 5, write answers to the questions so they are true for you. So you have to answer all of these questions with your own information. Number 1, what color is your favorite shirt? Number 2, or t-shirt too. Puede ser aquí polera, no necesariamente camisa. Number 2, What clothes do you love wearing at the weekend? What clothes do you love wearing? Aman vestir at the weekend, los fines de semana. Number 3. What clothes do you never buy? What clothes, ropa, do you never, nunca buy, compran? And number 4. Of all the people you know, who wears really nice clothes and what do they wear? De la gente que ustedes conocen entonces, ¿quién viste ropa muy bonita? ¿Y qué es lo que usualmente visten esas personas? Okay, very good. And that is the end of today's lesson. Remember to do your homework and watch the video, obviously. See you next lesson, everybody. Bye.